Hello YouTube, it's IndiaUnboxing here, back again with another video. And for today we bring you the unboxing and review of cheapest RGB backlit mechanical keyboard by MOTOSPEED. MOTOSPEED is a company based in China and they manufacture computer opticals and accessories. The model for this keyboard we have here is CK104. As the name suggests, the keyboard is having 104 keys and all these keys are mechanical, having out MO blue switches. Blues are the least suppressed keys and they are a bit noisy than others. Also, the keyboard is having RGB backlit with few predefined patterns and you cannot choose any custom layout. But still the predefined ones are pretty good and does the job. I bought this keyboard from gearbest.com for approximately 2800 Indian rupees, which is $45 approximately, including shipping to India, and there was no custom duty charged. There is not much in the box, only a multi-language manual and the keyboard itself. The keyboard is quite small and it is very compact, and as the price is considered, this looks good and the build is sturdy. The top is made up of metal, maybe aluminium, and the base is made up of plastic. There are two height extenders present on the back, same as of all keyboards, to incline it to the front. And the length of wire is approximately 6 feet. The spacing for keys are pretty decent. Also, the function keys can be used as multimedia keys using the FN key or the function key, just like a laptop keyboard. Now let's connect it to the computer, and just to be sure, I already spent some 20 minutes reading the manual and learning the basic keys function on how to control different lightning effects. So basically there are 4 keys to control the lightning. All these keys are present as an alternate to the basic keys. And to use them you need to press the FN key along with every press. Also there are 4 arrow keys which are used to set speed, brightness levels for all those effects. Now let's see how all of them works together. But before that, I am sure you all wanna know how about the click sounds it makes. So let's check it out first. Here I have the camera and microphone placed at as nearest as I can. I am sure you will be able to hear the clicks properly. Now I'll stop the music and gonna press some random keys. Check out the noise level. So this is how it sounds. Also the keys are easily removable and you can see the actual switches below it. Out ammo blue. Now according to their website and manual, it says there are 10 different modes of lightning. Let's check them out now. FN plus PS turns on the lights. By default the very first mode, which is full backlight mode, stays on single color and can be changed using M2. Now press FN plus M1 to switch on the breathing mode. Just like this, all these modes can be changed and colors patterns can also be changed using M2 key. Check out the different modes. So guys, this was it for the video. I hope you liked it, and if you do, then please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more coming videos on different products. If you have any questions related to this video, write them down in the comments below. Until next time.